Hello everyone. In the following video, we're going to tell you that how you can check the warranty status or the warranty information of your HP product, whether it's a laptop or a desktop. We already have a document, or we can see there is an article available in our web page. So there are two different methods we have defined over there how to check the warranty status of your HP laptop or desktop. So, yep, in this video, I'm going to share you just one method, whether that is checking the warranty status using the serial number online on the HP official website. So, if you would like to check the another method, you can go to this article. The link is in description below, and you can check that as well if you wanted to. So, let's continue. So, the first thing.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
Continue. So the first thing that you need is the serial number of your product. It's HP laptop or is it HP desktop? So you should need to know your serial number. The serial number you will get it from the surface of your laptop, or if you have a desktop, you can check the back of your desktop system. Other way you can just do a command. I'll show you here. So if you can use this command, I'm gonna share this command in the description as well. You need to just open up the CMD command prompt and just paste this command and you will see your serial number. Copy it and save it somewhere. I already have it here. So now we have the serial number. You need to navigate, get to the website, HP official website, and you will reach here. Again, you will see the link in the description. And we have options to check the warranty status with a single product or multiple products here. So you can check. I'm going with only one with the single product as of now. So you have to choose the location of your region, country. So I'm choosing here mine, and then you have to just enter the serial number, click submit. It will take a few seconds, and here we go. So now you can see here for this product that I have, HP laptop, it has expired already, and it will give you all information about the product as well, serial number, product ID, product number. You can print the page if you need to, and if you just scroll down, you will see other options as well regarding this warranty status. So yeah, this is the easiest way to just check the warranty status of your HP product. To check the second method, go to the description below and just open up that link and you will see the another method. There are multiple ways to check the warranty statuses. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.